Hey y'all, welcome back to AI Agency Mastery. Today, we're getting hands-on. I'm showing you exactly how to build your very first AI agent. Now, before you panic, no, you don't need to be an engineer to pull this off. Tools like Landbot and Relevance AI make it super simple to drag, drop, and build powerful AI workflows that do things like qualify leads, answer questions, book appointments automatically. Start by thinking about one process you want to automate. Is it intake, lead generation, FAQs? Pick something simple and high impact. With Landbot, for example, you can create a chatbot-style experience without writing a single line of code. Relevance AI lets you create more customized agents that operate across your website or CRM. Now, here's the mistake I want you to avoid. Don't overcomplicate your workflow. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. A workflow is a series of steps or tasks that are carried out in a specific order to complete a business process. Think of it like a recipe for getting something done from start to finish, with the goal of being efficient, repeatable, and ideally automated. In the world of AI automation, workflows are what your agents are powering behind the scenes. You define the logic, which is simply saying, if this happens, then do that, and the automation handles the rest. Here are some examples of workflows that businesses use. Client onboarding for a medical practice. A new patient submits intake form, then AI verifies insurance, then appointment is scheduled, then confirmation text is sent automatically. For lead qualification for a real estate agent, first the lead fills out property interest form, then AI bot asks follow-up questions, and based on responses, the lead is tagged as hot, warm, or cold. The hot leads get immediate follow-up from a human rep, and so on. Think of how much time you save your clients by automating processes like these. Like I mentioned before, this can apply to any industry. Just think about how you can make it useful for potential customers. Just keep the automations clean and avoid too many steps. A messy automation is just a fancy headache. Make sure your logic is clean, your user flow makes sense, and your tone feels human. Use clear labels, keep things conversational, and always test your flow as if you're a user seeing it for the first time. All right, y'all, here's some homework. Your action step: build one basic agent this week based on a workflow you do in your daily activities. Keep it simple, test it out, share it with someone you trust, and ask for honest feedback. All right, fam, that's it for this one. If you're proud of your first AI agent, tag me or drop the link in the comments. I want to see it. If you're interested in launching your own AI automation agency and you want one-on-one coaching, visit my website at www.kamishajohnson.com to schedule a free consultation.